Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the TurboTax app. First, download the app from your device's App Store, available on both iOS and Android. Once installed, you'll either create a new account or sign in with your existing credentials. Then, choose your appropriate filing status, such as single, married filing jointly, or head of household. The app will then ask you a few simple questions to help tailor the filing process to your unique tax situation, getting you ready to begin your tax preparation journey. Next, it's time to input your income. The TurboTax app makes this simple. You can often snap a photo of your W-2 form, and the app will automatically fill in the details. For self-employment or contract work, you'll manually enter your income and expenses. Don't forget to include any investment income, like from stocks or bonds, and other sources such as unemployment benefits. The app guides you through each step, ensuring all your income is accurately reported. Now, let's talk about maximizing your refund with deductions and credits. The TurboTax app is designed to automatically search for over 350 potential deductions and credits that could apply to you. It will ask you simple questions about your life events, like if you paid student loan interest or have children, to identify every possible saving. This ensures you get every dollar you deserve, whether it's through a standard deduction or itemized deductions. Finally, it's time to review and file your return. The TurboTax app features a tool called Complete Check, which meticulously reviews your entire return for 100% accuracy, helping to catch any potential errors. You'll then select how you'd like to receive your refund, with direct deposit often being the fastest option. Once you're confident, you can securely e-file your federal and state returns directly from your mobile device, completing the process with ease.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.